I have ALCATEL Pop C2 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the ALCATEL settings. At the very beginning, let's start by using the apps icon, then let's find and select the settings. So here I have the settings icon, let's tap it, scroll down and choose the backup and reset right here, then select factory data reset. Read the information about the process and choose reset phone. If you are sure that you want to erase all personal information, downloaded apps and customized settings, let's choose erase everything. Right now the device is performing the hard reset operation, the phone is erasing all personal stuff from the storage. Let's wait until the whole operation will be completed and until the welcome panel pops up on the screen. As you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. Now you may start simply activate your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.